We are going to see how to install MariaDB database server on Windows 64-bit machine. Go to mariadb.org, click on download. 10.3 is the current version. Click on download. Locate the actual file Windows x86 64. Click on it. So it's getting downloaded. And now this is the downloaded MariaDB installation file. Open this. Click on next. Accept the license agreement. Click on next. It will be installed in the location C: program files MariaDB 10.3, and along with a third-party tool, a MySQL client will also be included. Click on next. Let the root password be root. Let us retype it. Enable access from remote machine for root user. We check on it. Click on next. The default port is 3306. Page size, let it be 32. Click on next. Click on next. Install. Click on finish, and now the server is installed. This is the MySQL client. New connection. The local IP address. Username root. Password root. Click on open. Here you go.